Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, you will get to know about 11 passive income ideas to increase your cash flow. Passive income is a money stream that requires little or no continuous effort. As a business model, it's largely self-sustaining. Often, passive income involves some kind of upfront investment that generates long-term steady gains. The first step toward earning a sustained income stream is choosing the passive income source that makes the most sense for you. Whether you want to make a financial investment or start a business centered on passive income, here are 11 ideas to consider. Number 1. Make financial investments. Financial investments include a range of options, such as investing in the stock market, mutual funds, bonds, and peer lending, and they require minor follow-up work as they accrue interest. Work with a financial advisor to figure out the best investment options for you. Pros: high growth potential over time. Minimal maintenance. Cons: may have limited access to funds in the short term. Subject to tax requirements. Number 2. Own a rental property. Rental income can be a steady way to earn extra money, but whether you house long-term tenants or short-term renters, this passive income source comes with all the required maintenance of regular home ownership. Pros: can be a lucrative long-term investment. Can begin earning money as soon as first renters move in. Cons: responsible for property upkeep. Only earn when you have renters. Number 3. Start a print-on-demand shop. You can sell your original designs on shirts, hats, mugs, posters, and other products without dealing with inventory and fulfillment by opening a print-on-demand shop. All you need to do is select your provider, companies like Printful, Printify, or Gelato, upload your file, choose the products you want to sell, and advertise them on your online store. Pros: no inventory or fulfillment needs. Create original products. Cons: may need to engage in self-promotion and marketing. May need to handle customer service issues. Number 4. Self-publishing. If you have a wealth of knowledge or an idea for a story, you can write a book and sell it online. Many people choose to use a service like Kindle Direct Publishing, which enables you to transform your words into an book or print edition and sell it on Amazon. Pros: write something that you feel proud to share. Retain complete control over your creative process. Cons: can take a lot of time to prepare a book for publication. May need to engage in self-promotion and marketing. Number 5. Sell worksheets. There are several places where you can upload and sell worksheets online. Typically, the way this works is you create a printable worksheet and upload it to a website like Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers, where people can pay to download and use your creation. Pros: easy and inexpensive to create. Utilize your specific expertise. Cons: may take time to generate noticeable returns. Host websites may charge sales fees. Number 6. Sell templates. If you enjoy creating digital organization systems in programs like Microsoft Excel or Notion, you might be able to sell your templates. Many people monetize their creations on Etsy or other online marketplaces. Pros: easy and inexpensive to create. Combine organization and design skills. Cons: may take time to generate noticeable returns. Host websites may charge sales fees. Number 7. Create content. If video is your medium of choice, you can earn money by uploading your original creations to YouTube and setting your account up for monetization with the YouTube Partner Program. There's no limit to the types of videos you can create: informational, short film, original music, even ambient noise. However, there are a number of requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program, including a minimum number of views and followers. Pros: retain creative control over the work you produce. Can continue earning money from the same videos as long as you remain in the YouTube Partner Program. Cons: requires building a following of 1,000 subscribers. Requires publishing new content every 6 months. Number 8. Create an online course. Somewhere in between writing a book, selling worksheets and templates, and creating content. You may decide to package the resources you create as an online course. Many people create their content with platforms like Thinkific or Teachable, then host their courses on their own website. Pros: highlight your unique expertise. Package a range of creative offerings. Cons: labor-intensive startup process. May need to engage in self-promotion and marketing. Number 9. Sell stock photos. Whether you're an amateur or seasoned photographer, you can sell your original photos as stock images using sites like Alamy, Shutterstock, Stocksy, or Adobe Stock. Pros: start a photography business without finding clients. Retain creative control over the work you produce. Cons: a lot of legalities to learn and navigate. Host websites may charge sales fees. Number 10. Create an app. You can passively monetize your creative skills as a developer by creating a mobile app and selling it via the Apple App Store or Google Play. Pros: build a tool that can reach many people. Put your developer skills to the test. Cons: may require updates and maintenance over time. App Store hosts may take hefty fees. Number 11. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an area of digital marketing in which a person promotes products and receives a portion of the sales generated from their unique affiliate links. Many bloggers combine search engine optimization techniques with their affiliate marketing strategy to maximize their income. Pros: high earning potential. Option to promote a range of products. Cons: may take some time to begin earning. Posts may require maintenance or updates over time. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.